Hi, in this lesson, let's create standard shopping campaign in Microsoft Ads. So I'm going into the interface, go to the campaigns, and here you click on the create button, right? So here you can select the objective. Make sure you select it appropriately because as I told you, these algorithms needs as much as data as possible, right? The more signals you give them, the better they will perform, right? So it is a sell products only, right? So here we have different options, you see, performance max campaign, standard shopping campaign, and smart shopping campaign. So earlier in Google Ads, when you select shopping campaign or when you select shopping objective, we have two options. One is standard shopping campaign and another is smart shopping campaign. If you remember, I haven't mentioned smart shopping campaign anywhere in Google Ads because smart shopping campaign is replaced by performance max campaign. In Microsoft Ads, Performance Max is introduced in March 2024. Okay, so and it is powered by Microsoft Artificial Intelligence, which is more powerful than Smart Shopping Campaign. So I will be skipping Smart Shopping Campaign creation because it will anyhow will be replaced by Performance Max campaign in future. So at whatever the time you are seeing this lesson, if smart shopping campaign is present, you can experiment on it for your learning. But I suggest you to go with the performance max campaign over smart shopping campaign, right? So in this lesson, let's see how to create the standard shopping campaign. Here we have two options. One is audience and search. You select the search one, okay? We will see what is audiences clearly in the next lesson, okay? So here you select the search campaign and click on continue. So you give the name appropriately. As I have told you, almost everything remains the same. So just give the name, okay? Standard shopping, right? Let's give all products. We are targeting all products. So here campaign priority you can give low. I have told you, right, when to use campaign priority and the strategies related to it. I suggest you to watch the previous lessons once. So here in the store settings, you need to select the store that you have created in the Microsoft Merchant Center, right? So here, as our domain got disapproved by Microsoft Ads, we might not see the products while creating the campaign, but I will show you the previous campaigns that I have created. The process remains same, again I am telling you, okay? So I just want to show you how to create and how to implement these campaigns in the Microsoft Ads. I just don't want to leave any topic related to the paid search. My only intention is to give you as much knowledge as possible, and it should be in a practical way, right? So I hope you are understanding my intentions in transferring this knowledge to you. So let's go forward. So next is the products. Here you can select all products or here you can keep the filter, right? So here we have different options again. You see condition, ID, category 1, custom labels, all these things, right? So either you can give the filters here or you can give the filters while selecting the products at the product group level, right? We have also discussed this strategy. So I am selecting all products here, and here you have to select the conversion goal. What is the conversion action that you have created, right? So I am just selecting here account level conversion goal. Make sure that you select the proper conversion action, okay? So save and go next. So next is the location, right? So in the location it is India, right? And people in your targeted locations. Devices, target all devices, and in more options, start date and end date, and ad schedule you leave it as it is. If you have any priorities, you can obviously come and schedule it, okay? And ad distribution, the entire Microsoft advertising network, you go with the first option, okay? And save and go to the next step. So this is the budgets. So here let's leave this as it is, 2000 rupees budget. And bid strategy, so as I have told you, as this is a new campaign, go with the manual CPC, okay? So here it is enhanced CPC, right? I have told you, right, what is enhanced CPC. So let's go with the enhanced CPC only. And bid, you can leave it as it is and just click on next. So just review all the settings once and go and click on go live. right? So you have successfully created the shopping campaign. So let's look for it. It is standard shopping campaign, all products, right? So either you can select like this or you can choose the campaign type here. It is shopping campaign. This is the one, right, that we have selected. Go here and you select this ad group, okay, and go to the product groups section. This is the product group section, right? So here we need to separate the products that we want to target, right? So you click on it. So we might not see the products here because our merchant center has got disapproved, right? So let's wait. So let's go for the custom label 0. Let's see if we see any products. You see, we are not seeing the products here, but I have told you how to segment these products, right? So first we got this all products here. From here, if you want to target any particular type of the product, let's say you want to target the bells, what you have to do, you might have labeled the bells products in the custom labels. You go to the custom label in which you have given the label, in which you have named it, and here you come here and select the custom label. So what happens, the custom label products will be separated and everything else will be separated. What you have to do, everything else should be excluded, right? So let's see for the another campaigns. So here there is a little different process how to exclude it. So let's go for the campaigns. So let's go for the bells section here, right? So let's go for the products. Take any of the ad groups and let's take this one, right? So here you see here, this is how the bells will be separated. So after the bells is separated, so you make sure that everything else is excluded. So how to exclude it? Under the bid column, you see here, this is the bid column, right? So here when you hover on the pencil icon, you will have the option whether you give the bid or you can exclude it. So similarly here also we will be having the option. So make sure you exclude this. If you don't exclude it, what happens? This campaign will target, or this ad group will target all the products. So if you have any strategy that you are building, that means if you want to target only the bells products, you make sure that you exclude this everything else, right? So by that you will be able to target only bells in this particular ad group, right? So next is the ads, right? So in the standard shopping campaign, ads are automatically created, right? So the same rule applies here as well. Whatever we have learned while we were creating the standard shopping campaign in Google Ads, the same rules applies here as well, and the same steps as well, right? So we have successfully created the standard shopping campaign in Microsoft Ads, right? So now you tell me, what is the difference between Google Ads and Microsoft Ads when creating the campaigns? Trust me, there is no difference at all. There might be one or few changes, but they are self-explanatory. Trust me on this. That is the reason why I have been telling you since I have started this Microsoft section. If you are able to master Google Ads, you will be able to manage any kind of advertising tool. Trust me on this. Okay. So I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.